The smartest drivers I know got robbed by a clipboard and a smile, and signed for it. Every year, fraud quietly adds somewhere between $400 and $700 to what a typical family pays for coverage. You didn't file the fake claim, you just funded it. And the people running these plays aren't hunting bad drivers. They want the careful ones, the ones who stop, who apologize, who hand over their information without asking a single question. None of this needs you to be gullible. It only needs you to be polite. It's called the swoop and squat. A car ahead of you brakes hard, on purpose. A second car slides in beside you so there's no escape. Then everyone in that front car claims an injury, often 4 passengers, sometimes more. And because you hit them from behind, on paper, you're the at-fault driver. 4 passengers, 0 visible damage, and your name on the at-fault line. Then there's the parking lot pitch. Someone clocks the chip in your windshield and offers a free replacement today. They'll waive your deductible, just sign here. Or you get a voicemail about your recent accident from a stranger promising a bigger settlement. Neither of those people found you by accident. Here's what free actually costs. You pay 0 out of pocket. The shop bills your insurer around $1,800. That claim then sits on your record for 3 to 5 years, and your renewal creeps up roughly $120 a year. $600 for the thing that was free. Loyalty isn't rewarded here, it's priced. Staying put is a tax you charge yourself. Same driver, same car, same clean record. Year 1 as a new customer, about $1,640. Year 4, never reshopped, around $2,010. Year 4, but she reshopped, $1,655. That's $355 apart for doing nothing different behind the wheel. Illustrative numbers, but that gap is very real. That's the part nobody warns you about. It doesn't hit once, it hits twice. Then every single renewal after that, quietly for years, while you assume the number just went up on its own. The scam isn't the crash. It's the 5 years after it. 4 minutes of defense. After any crash, photograph every car and every plate before you say a word to anyone. Never sign a blank repair form. Not one. Reshop 3 quotes at renewal every single year. And if somebody pitched you in a parking lot, report the pitch, not just the crash. Subscribe. Next week, the repair shop upcharge nobody catches. So, is loyalty stupid? Fight it out below.